Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the lack of transparency in the Scrum framework. Friend, today we shall discuss the common pitfalls, problems and issues which occur in the Scrum framework whenever we are working in the agile mode and software development as well. So let's start, friend. First of the one very common problem is lack of transparency. In general sense, lack of transparency means, friend, for example, in actual we are completing 10 tasks, for example, in a sprint, and we are but for example the plan was that we will complete 15 tasks, but in actual we are completing 10 tasks only, for example. So like we are not giving the actual figure, actual picture to the management, to the team, and we are saying we are just like for example we are just giving that picture that we are on track. So this is called as the concept of lack of transparency, means that hinder the information, hinder the right information about with the people, and it will ultimately impact the success of the project here as well. It will also issues creating in the collaboration among the team members, among during the decision making and continuous improvement here as well. So first thing is the incomplete or inaccurate information. Friend, information about the project progress, impediments, showstoppers, problems, potential risk may be incomplete or inaccurately communicated. Due to that reason, team members, stakeholders and Scrum Master, product owner may make decisions based on the incomplete or inaccurate information, leading to misunderstandings and potentially poor choices here as well. For example, let me give you an example. For example, the team is not um, for example team is not capable enough on the Android technologies, for example, and like this information was hindered, this information was not clearly communicated once the project starts. So no one is saying clearly that the team is not capable on the Android technologies. Due to that reason, once the project starts, it will create a lot of issues, because team is not capable on particular technology, and when you will say that to complete that particular task, so they are not capable enough to complete it. Then the next is the unidentified issues and risks. Friend, due to that reason, lack of transparency, teams may hesitate to openly communicate about problems or risks they encounter during the sprint, fearing negative consequences. Obviously, friend, everyone has family, everyone has dependencies, so everyone is thinking that if he tell the truth, so maybe there may be some impact on his job, maybe there is some impact on his job security. So unaddressed issues and risk can escalate, potentially leading to a project delays, increased cost or decreased product quality here as well. Here, friend, again the thing is that the lack of transparency creating lots of issues and lots of risk as well, because things are not transparent, things are hiding, information is hiding. Then impaired stakeholder trust, means that stakeholder rely on transparent and accurate information to make decisions about the project. So stakeholder also may lose confidence in the project ability to deliver as promised, leading to strained relationships and potential disengagement here as well. Maybe the stakeholders start thinking that team is not capable enough to deliver the work on time. Maybe they are thinking to give the project to someone else. Then difficulty in monitoring progress here as well. Friend, it becomes challenging for both the Scrum team and stakeholders to monitor the progress of work during a sprint. Difficulty in tracking progress hampers the ability to assess whether the project is on track to meet its objective, leading to uncertainties and potential project drift here as well. For example, friend, when the things are hiding, information is hiding, for example, obviously it will create a doubt in everyone's one's mind, like people are not confident that whether, for example, you are saying that the planned work was to complete 10 tasks in a month, and you are also saying that in actual it is complete, but obviously when things are hindered, when things are not clear, information is not clear, so it will become a very big difficulty and problem in monitoring the progress of the project here as well. Ineffective collaboration means the transparent communication is vital for effective collaboration within the Scrum team and with the stakeholders. When a lack of transparency can hinder open communication here as well, and poor collaboration can result in misunderstandings. People are not relying on someone, delays in decision making, and a less cohesive team environment here as well, ultimately affecting the overall efficiency and success of the project here as well. Like for example, one team has not completed the work and they are hiding that the work is completed or not, so obviously it will impact the other team members work here as well. For example, the operation team is dependent on the work of the software development team. For example, software development team is not giving the right information or not complete information, due to which the operation team is suffering. So in that case, basically it is basically a case of a lack of collaboration among the team member. Just because of lack of transparency, there may issues arise among the team members. Limited continuous improvement means that, friend, when we are not giving the right information to the right people, basically it will create issues in the sprint retrospective here as well. Basically, friend, without a clear understanding of what went well wrong, what needs improvement, what things goes well, the team may struggle to implement meaningful changes, hindering the process of continuous improvement here as well. Obviously, friend, when things are not clear that what needs to be improved, whatever needs to be improved, if it's not clear, so how you will decide that what are the improvements are required? Then reduced adaptability means here that the lack of transparency makes it difficult for the Scrum team to adapt to changing circumstances or requirements during a sprint. Reduced adaptability can result in missed opportunities or the inability to respond effectively to unexpected challenges, limiting the project's overall agility here as well. So, to address the lack of transparency, it is crucial for the Scrum team to foster a culture of openness, honesty, and trust. A Scrum Master should encourage team members to have information, raise concerns, and report impediments without fear of reprisal. Regular communication channels such as daily scrums, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospective should be utilized to ensure that information is shared transparently. Additionally, tools and techniques that provide visibility into project progress, such as task boards and burn down charts, should be employed to enhance transparency and facilitate informed decision making.